of cracks. Some are narrow. Here's a normal crack right here. Okay, that's gonna take rubber really well. That's a perfect repair for that. But now look over here at this crack. Right here, we have a crack. This is about 2 inches wide. This is massive. And you could see somebody in the past just put rubber in it. There's no way rubber could ever hold anything this wide. If you get to an inch, inch and a half, you're not filling cracks properly if you're using rubber, okay? You have to put a material in there, Aquafalt or a cold patch. And that's the way to do it right, and that's what we're gonna do on this one. So 2 different types of cracks. Cracks that are inch or less, rubber's great for, but these, if you're gonna do them right, you have to put material in, or you see it's just gonna pull right in. That's what happened here when someone else did it. It just sunk right in. You ever get these kind of cracks? Rubber's a false repair. You're not doing it right for the customer. Always use material. In this case, we're gonna use some cold patch. This is Patch Master, it's just Seal Master's brand. But this is gonna go in those cracks really well, and then we're gonna compound them down. We're gonna hit them with a hard tamper and get it really firm, fill that crack up. When we're all done, we might go over top of the crack with rubber. But this crack has to be filled with a material repair. And that's what you see lined out here. And that's what we'll be doing in a little bit.